Alright, once again listeners, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. This is Ojosado Innovation. In my comment section, I observed that a lot of comments have been popping up there. And one of them is what I'm going to address today. We have a comment from a subscriber or a follower who requested for a step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube channel account. On that regard, we are going to fix that and respond to that comment. Very quickly, I will tell us what and why do we use Gmail or Google account to synchronize or log in with YouTube. What is the relationship? How does Google account and YouTube channel, how do they relate? Okay, YouTube channel is directly linked to a Google email, which is Gmail, like we all know, account, because YouTube is owned by Google. Okay, to create and manage YouTube channel, you need a Google account. Your Google account, which is the Gmail, serve as your login credentials. All right, and it is connected to YouTube for action such as 1, account management. When we talk about account management, we talk about your Google account is used to sign in a YouTube, managing setting and personalizing your channel. You have to log in. First, you must have a Google account, which is Gmail. Okay, before you think of creating a YouTube channel, you must have a Google account, which is Gmail. All right, you can upload and create content. By the time you have created your Google account, which is the Gmail, then sign in with that account to your YouTube. You can upload and create content, okay, such as a video. You can create a playlist. You can customize your YouTube channel based on your preference. Okay, you have notification alerts that we have not gotten there. All right, now very quickly, let's just go to the step-and-step guide on how to create a YouTube account. Now what I want to do here, first, like I said, you must have a Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, that means you have successfully passed this step 1. Okay, if you don't have a Gmail account, quickly visit google.com. okay, account.google.com, all right, /v3/sign-in. okay, just come to your browser, just type just come here and create just type Google account. Okay, hit enter. All right, you will see it here. Okay, just follow the second one, which is accounts.google.com. okay, click it. All right, by the time you do that, let's wait for the browser to open. Now suppose I have account already. Let's assume I have account already. All I need to do is to log in, and by the time I log in, it will take me to my Gmail. All right, but now we are assuming that I'm a first or a new user. I don't have an account. I'll just create an account. You have various options here for my personal use, for my child, for work or my business. Let's say for work or my business. All right, I selected that. Then follow the step one after the other. Then I say as Gmail address just for you. You can just say, okay, professional email such as you at your company. Okay, free 24 days, free 14 days monthly charge after trial. Okay, this one there is no cost. All right, I will advise you to follow the second option. All right, you just say no cost here. You can see it, there's no cost here, and we are allotted 15 gigabyte storage for your Google. You click here. All right, now put your first name. By the time you put your first name, follow the step. Okay, it's very, very simple. But if you have gotten your Gmail account, fine, you don't have an issue. Now let's go back. I want to log into a YouTube account now. If you already gotten your Gmail account, that means, like I say, you are done with the first step. Now you are at this time now you have gotten an account. What do you need to do? You go to youtube.com. okay, visit youtube.com. When you visit it for the first time, this is how it will show. All right, based on your location sensitivity, it will pick your origin. All right, right now I'm in Nigeria. Now it's picking my location here. Okay, now what I want to do here, you click on sign in. If you look at the top right hand side, you see where they say sign in. Okay, I'm going to click it. Hold on. Good. Immediately I click, you see when I said during my introduction that YouTube and Gmail is what? They are related because it is owned by what? Google. Okay, it is owned by Google. YouTube is owned by Google. So immediately I click sign in, you see it brings me back to where we started for during when I wanted to create account. You see I will still see this now because I have an account already. I will just follow here Ojosado Innovation Nigeria Limited at gmail.com. Click next. Mind you, I have a password already. It's showing here. Then click here. Alright, it's asking for what? Two-step verification because I added a two-step verification. It's very, very advisable. Don't forget to do that for security reasons. Now, maybe I've granted access. It's okay, not now. Let's move straight to, it will take us straight to YouTube now. Watch. Alright, good. Now we are here now in our what? YouTube channel. Let's wait for it to load successfully. By the time it's done loading, we are going to see the full interface of this YouTube channel page. Alright, good. Now you see what we are seeing, getting here. Now we have been able to log in into channel page. Now what we need to do here, okay? Because I already now account. Now say you are a first user, you just created your Gmail account. You have not created a YouTube account here. What you need to do here, you click this logo here at the top right hand side here. You see, immediately I click it, see it's picking my what? The Gmail account I use in logging in, my account setting, alias name. You can say view your channel. If I want to click here, I'll begin to see, you see Google accounts, many things. If you scroll down, you see a lot of what? Options. Okay, now we have an option here, it says switch account. Okay, you see switch account. If I click here, switch account, it will show me various what? Options like add account, sign out. If I click on add account, what happened? It will bring me here again to enter the Gmail account which I've just got created. Remember, by this, when we started this video, I show you how to start create a Gmail account step by step. Okay, now you cannot enter that Gmail. Immediately you enter, you click next, you will be logging. Now because we have done that, I don't want to switch account. We already what? In this particular what? Account which we have created. Now by the time you log into your Google account, this is what you see. Every other thing is secondary, which is setting up what? Your Google what? Your YouTube account. And it's setting up your YouTube account. All the thing you need, everything you need is here. They are all here. Now what you need to do, just come here, click on this, your login icon, account icon, go to what? YouTube Studio. Alright, YouTube Studio, click on YouTube Studio. Let's allow it to load. By the time it's done loading, we are going to see a different interface entirely. Alright, now look at it. This is my channel. Are you getting it? Immediately we click on YouTube Studio, it pick exactly everything about my channel. You can see the channel analytics, you can see news, you can see what is it called, the channel dashboard, everything. This is the channel dashboard. Okay, these are the content. If I click here, you see the content that I've uploaded in the recent time. Okay, you can see it here. Then if you scroll up, you see all the videos that I've uploaded in the recent time. Okay, we have various videos like Excel data table. We have a Excel freeze panel, splitting text into multiple columns. You just visit ojosadoinnovation.com, Ojosado Innovation. You will see all these videos. Now, coming back to how to upload video. Okay, you just click here. You see upload. All right. So in creating a YouTube account is a very simple step. It's not difficult. All you need to do, have your Gmail account, then log in with that Gmail account to your YouTube. You are gone. You are done. That is it. It's very simple. So this is how far we can go on this YouTube account creation. If you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Alright, see you there. Thank you.